When we first decided to launch our online program, we wanted to create a distance learning program that catered to the needs of our students. What our students wanted was something that was flexible, something that had asynchronous elements that our students could do on their own time. B, personal, something that had synchronous elements where they could see their teachers and their fellow classmates face to face and in real time. C, something that was easy to use, technology that wasn't too hard to figure out. And basically that's exactly what we created. Our online program is a mix of synchronous and asynchronous credit hours that combines live lectures and dynamic independent work vis-a-vis very easy to use technological platforms. Using a myriad of resources like Google Classroom, Zoom, Cambridge LMS, Flipgrid, Quizlet, Edmodo, Socrative, Mentimeter, and engaging students through breakout groups, polling, chats, and YouTube, it seems that our distance learning program has become all about communication, communication, and communication. And the glue that keeps all of this communicating going and students engaged and students talking is our faculty. And it's really our faculty that makes our program stand out leaps and bounds above any other. My name is Lulwa Bordcosh, and I am the director of LASC. And on behalf of all of the faculty, administrative staff, and students here, I welcome you to come enroll now and try our interactive distance learning.